There are three things I want to say about it. When we started, there was a organ assessment, which gets inventory of your personality, your motives and values. That what you feel yourself, and then it shows who you are, was an eye-opener because it shows you where you are. Then after that, now we start with the trainings. The trainings were on authentic leadership. We went out to learning, negotiations. It went on up to leadership in crisis, collaborative leadership, and decision making, and VUCA method. So there's a lot we learned. And as we were learning that, you see, I was building it up from the organ assessment about my personality. So the whole scenario is that not that I was just being taught, but there were some new things which are coming based on my personality, which had been done earlier. And I appreciated the methods of instructions, because we had lectures, we had PowerPoint presentations, we had the role plays, we had podcasts, particularly the one on 12 Angry Men. That was very impressive. We learned about the VUCA methods, decision making, all that. It was very involving, and there's a lot to learn, what I learned out of that. You see, like in this scenario, we were 36 participants from 11 countries, and we interacted quite a lot. So basically, I would take this message home that it's worth learning. It's worth coming here to learn more.
So I was looking out for executive leadership development program as part of my career growth and my career goals. I did review a number of programs that's available in Singapore. So I looked at curriculum from different universities, prestigious ones, and what SMU offered in particular caught my fancy because a few things was the range of the topics that's offered as part of the curriculum. So you have a multitude of different professors who are coming in, known personalities, distinguished figures in the industry. I think I've gained a lot over the 5-day program, and I'm looking forward to going back and applying that to my daily job. So thank you, SMU.